Achieve manufacturing excellence through fruiSCE manufacturing execution by connected machines, balancing inventory, recording timestamps, complete visibility with accurate planning and execution. The key features of fruiSCE MES include production order, work center and energy management, quality, cost and inventory management, master scheduling, MRP and resource planning, maintenance, tool and asset management, integration and data management, manufacturing analytics. Advantages of fruiSCE MES are: implement fruiSCE MES now and make your manufacturing process a core competency and a competitive advantage.